What's up mga kachong? Welcome back to my channel. On this video today we are gonna have some chiropractic adjustment again, but this time we have searched another chiropractor here in Cebu, so I guess they are local here in Cebu, so it's under Kyroworks Cebu. So check it out. I'll put their Instagram in the description below. We're waiting for them, so we are scheduled at 5 p.m. Actually, they don't have any clinic yet here in Cebu, so we offer their services under home base. I think they offer their services at your home, so they are home service for the Kyro adjustment. Okay, so we're waiting for them. We're scheduled at 5 p.m. here at our house. Let's see, and we'll try to check what are their services and how does this works, because it's my first time having a Kyro here in my home. Okay, we'll update you guys once they are here. So ni-arrive na ang atuang Kyroworks dire, so set up Sir Kyle, right? Yes. Sir Kyle. So guys, here is Sir Kyle from Kyroworks Cebu. Again, I'll put their Instagram here in the description below. So yes, so we're trying to have the appointment. Now first, what we are going to do, sir?
Oh, chiropractic session.
Okay, so briefing or
yeah, assessments.
Okay.
First assessments.
Okay, so first of all, sir, you're a practitioner, right? Or a
yes.
doctor?
2 years na lang kulang. Pwede rin umpisa, no? Yeah, 2 years na lang kulang para mag-doctors na. But 4 years na may offer sa mga sa Malaysia.
Alright.
So, morning therapist lang dyan ko ito.
Okay, sige. That's nice. So, yeah, so we'll try to have the assessments and then we'll give you guys the clips for our chiropractic adjustment. Okay?
Right, ito na. Sige, ka naman ito. Relax. Right side yun, ginagawa ng therapy.
So, saan itong ibuhat mo, sir?
Yun siya, is impulse, second impulse sa mga muscle. Para maka-relax siya. Para hindi ito pang adjustment sa nakong dito sa joints na kailangan natin i-adjust. Kaya once yung mag-gahi pang muscle niyo mo, gusto nyo siya i-adjust, gahi mo siya. Dapat maka-relax siya. Ang labo sa itong shoulder is uneven di ka karoon. So magtanong pa sa mga leg length, pahig down ka, facing down, go wrong. Yan ha, i-relax yung knees, okay? Ang inyong arms is i-drop sa dito.
Okay.
Okay. Check that for short leg, relax ang knees, okay? Tapos yung bend, tapos i-drop out this way. Ooh, natay short leg. Kabaw na ba nila na siya short leg? Kabaw na nila? Okay. But wala ka ba anong nahitabo ang short leg?
No.
That's because imong body is mo compensate mo din siya. Tungod sa curve today, imong hip is ni compensate, which causing this leg to shorten, isaka siya dili.
Okay.
Kung isaka man ang hip nimo dili, ni-elevate man siya. So kaya siya nga lagi isaka siya kapil. So di wala gid ipanganak nga short leg. Nalagi na sa tungod sa tuang case, bara, curvature sa spine. So ito siyang i-check, keep this leg straight, lift as high as you can. Good, drop. Good. Moving naman, keep this leg straight, lift as high as you can. Okay, good. Wala na bugat sa duha, no? Okay naman sila. Short naman siya gamay. Okay. So, mo-adjust ang sugod, okay? Pari ko sa side ka diri. So, ang buhatan is relax and ka. Hold ko sa side sa lower rib. Hold ko sa imong hip. Okay, hip bone. Kini siya. Relax ang ginang hips, okay? Contact sa diri. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out ka sa mouth. Relax ang shoulders. This way. Oh, there it goes. Good, nice. Good. And this way. Focus sa T7 area ka na siya. Take a deep breath in. And let it all go, and let it all go this way. Good, very good. Good, all the way up though, working all the way up. Relax na siya. Pabuhat mo is hayang ka. Go sa pine facing up. Pabuhat mo is this way. Love yourself, sige daw. Love yourself. Yung nga na rin mo kalab yourself, sige pa. Love yourself sa na. You roll, take it this way. Don't help me, okay? Hold and roll this way. Fold, goes up upper, goes up the bottom, and back this way. Straight on legs. Okay. Alis siya sa midlangkit, isbuko siya sa sandal. Padaw siya sa sandal, this way. Good. So relax ang shoulder, okay? Take a deep breath in. Breathe out, let it go. Let it all go. That was good, man. Wow. And ang cervical ganyan because yung range of motion sa yung right side is quite short, no? So relax ang head. So not tayo move na C4 and C5. So this way, relax ang shoulder, let it drop. That's good. Let it go, let it just go, everything. It's hot. It's really good, man. Push a bit, get a bit just this way. Ow. Ooh. Crap like a glow stick. Crap like a glow stick. Good. So relax ang foot. This way. So relax siya, okay? Wala pa kita nila, di ba? Tika.
Short ang left.
So this way, relax lang ka, okay? Ako pagkakang mo sutapan lang sila duha. Kaya ang isa sutapan sa pagkakis. Kaya na, makita din sila duha. Okay. Nakapagkita niyo mga picture.
Okay.
Tanaw niyo duha ka book joint, pinigyan kining. So medyo taas na siya. So muna siyang short, ano ba? So focus na niya. So relax na siya, okay? Hold ko sa foot. Oh, this way. Wow. Nakafeel ka nililigaw mo. Abot sa hips. Relax ang knee. Drop ang knee. Good. Let it go. Buhin ang knee. Buhin mo siya ka na. Kaya, lamay na kayo instalan yung adjustment. Let it fall. Good. Let it fall. Oh. Ah. This way. That's good, man. That's good. Hindi kasi yung right side. Nakaman nato siya. Right side, nakilid ka. Advantage of this way, this way, this way. Good. Both elbows. Hold both elbows. Galing elbow. Masaag naman. Sige ka na niya. You roll up to this way. You move to this edge. Good. This way. So relax your center. Let it go. This way. Wow. Actually, take a deep breath in. Breathe out, let it go, let it drop. Oh. Amazing. Amazing. So hold, relax your body, this way, let it go, let it go, let it go, this way. Right. Straight, let it go. Good, man. Welcome back. So relax your body, higda kasi mo ng left side. Left side ka, left side, good. Higda ka sa left side, good. Pakilig ka kamay. Hold both elbows. Higa, hold mo na sa elbow. Good. Let's take a deep breath in. Meron eh. And let it all go. Drop yourself. Oh. Nice. That was good. That was really good. This way. Bend, bend, bend. Don't let me open, okay? Squeeze in. Sige lang. Squeeze as hard as you can. Go. Good. Check the knees, drop this way. Wow. Good. Doing good, man. Doing good. Great. This way. So now 4. Ready? Okay. Slide drop, okay? Good. Guna na. Relax ang elbow this way.
Oh.
Oh, good.
Kaya ka niyo.
Kuta na ka. Daga na ka ito.
Di niyo kaya guru dal eh.
This one that is. Good. Hold on this way. Good. Drop this way. And slide drop this way. Good. Relax ang elbow this way.
Beto. Grabe. Kung ano na, pertigo na kaluto.
May sikit no? May sikit na lang. Ano lang ka dyan, okay? Relax sa hirap na. Right-handed ba ni?
Yeah.
Right-handed. Move the legs a bit. Load it this way. So just move this way. Yeah, so relax and shoulder, okay? So hold with the armpit. Tarik sa elbow and drop it in this way. Tanda-tando na lang. Okay. That was good, man. That was good. Paling turun ka all the way up. Sit down, drop your legs down. Let it drop down. Yep. Drop it siya. Tapos siya naman. Masangit muli sa leg there. Okay. Paminawag na. Paminawag dito. Good. Move back a bit. Don't let me go. Okay? But don't let me go. Don't let me go. Testing ka. Oh, effortless. Hindi ka sa'yo. Pamusog. Don't let me go. Yun, sa'yo na.
Kaya ka niyo na.
Drop your legs. Just lie down straight. Lie down.
Tiguang nung.
Drop your legs naman. Drop your legs naman.
Kaya ka na niyo. Tiguang na rawa ka.
Yeah, man. Okay, ilan ka niya? Ano siya mo?
Sigaya ka niyo human ako.
This tool
Sige pa mo siya
decompresses the
dikdik.
y-axis. Okay, that's fine.
Kasi naglisod
It's the
ka.
first time?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So yung buhatan is relax, lang shoulders, okay? Drop ulit siya. Ano siya ilabay? There, okay? And relax ang head. Okay. Lift sa head. Drop all the way down. Okay. Exhale out. Good. Do it again. Exhale sa mouth. Good. Slowly. Again. Slowly sa mouth. Very good. Deep breath in. Out sa mouth. Yeah, you're doing good.
Ito mo yung buko.
Oh. Wow. Woo. Woo. Lift.
Naging luwag ako na.
Ay, wala na siyang tang-tang. Okay, ato rin, baling sa dito, tang-tang. You good, man? You good? Okay, you good na. Face sa dining. And breathe na. Kasi kasi yung spine na to. Whole spine, whole spine. That's good, man. That's level, man. Good. Reach. Oh, it's flexible, right? Hamstring is really tight on the line.
Okay.
Yeah. And check the leg length. Facing down. Drop the arm aside. Hindi niya. Okay. Good. Relax the knees. Bend. Drop down this way. See? Wow. Welcome back, man. Hips are level. Spine is good. Asides are curved. Very good, man. Shoulders are level. So. You done? You good? Wow. Welcome back, man. Welcome back.
Thank you.
Oh, welcome.
So, I can feel nga medyo
Naibot.
looseness gamay diri sa kong neck. I think this is normal Kay dili mao niya ang anda no.
Yeah. Yung body so siya anad. Yeah.
First time sa Y-strap.
Yeah, kamusta mo siya? Kamusta?
Okay kayo na. Diri sa ug diri ang kuan yun.
Yeah, mas speechless ka, di ba? Mas speechless ikaw man.
Ikaw dad, na ka?
Yung na ko eh.
Ano ka?
Napisot ako. Hindi ko na klaro tayo pa.
Okay. Maybe soon, maybe soon.
Okay,
Maybe
sige,
soon.
sige. Woo! So guys, indot kay ang adjustment na to. First time we had the Y strap. So yeah, that was the Kyroworks Cebu with Sir Kyle. Much needed adjustment.
Yeah.
So, sir, can you explain why you are having home base, or I mean home service? Kay?
Oh, okay. So, natawag clinic.
Yeah.
Mga bolo, but based sa to ang kuhan karon pandemic, so wala na ako gihat. Kaya para mahadlok kita labi ng mga walk-ins kasi gara. So, mas may nga ako lang sa imong adto sa balay kaya para at least maka-comfort sa imong home.
Okay.
Kaya nato mag-adjust. Pero let's say kasagaran mo nga adjustment is ikahuman is magduka. Maluya.
Yeah.
Tama sa adjustment kay
So,
really is grabe. So, so mas may nga makatuga.
Might as well, yeah.
Yeah, man.
That's great. So again, guys, it's only 1,000 per session per adjustment. That takes around 10 to 15 minutes.
Yeah, 15 to 20. Depende sa case.
15. Yeah, it depends on the case. So again, I'll just put their description below. So hit them up because grabe ka busy ang ilang schedule. Actually, last April pa po nagpa-reserve, nila nagpa-book. And now it's June 2nd of June. So karon pa lang yun na ako na experience ang Kyroworks Cebu. And they also have different payment options, so you can try to pay them through bank transfers or GCash, or do you have GCash? Wala din. Bank transfers or cash. So yeah, that's it. So do you have any shout out or
Yeah, follow my page, Kyroworks Cebu or Kyroworks Chiropractic.
in IG? On
Yeah,
IG?
Instagram.
Okay, Instagram.
Yeah, we
So-
don't have any Facebook, just Instagram.
Okay.
You can just DM us so we can reply to your inquiries and booking of appointments.
Okay, that's nice. Thank you so much, Sir Kyle of Kyroworks Cebu. So again, mga kachong, nice kayo. So that was our chiropractic adjustment today, mga kachong. So it's another experience aside from the one that we got last time sa Cebu Chiropractic sa Henry Hotel. So this is a new experience, complete tanan. Kita naman po ninyo sa kadaghan sa iyang gi-adjust sa atong body, no? So it's very worth it. Only 1,000 per per appointment or per session.
Okay, soon.
Yeah, soon. So
Okay, medyo masaka ng price.
yeah. So okay ra. We hope nanapoy clinic si Sir Kyle next time. So for now, hit them up Instagram and get your spines adjusted. Aligned.
Hashtag aligned.
Hashtag aligned. Okay, hashtag aligned. Thanks, Sir Kyle. So this is it, mga kachong. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe here sa atong YouTube channel. And ring the notification bell as well para updated ta sa atong new uploads. Again, so thank you so much and thanks for watching. This is it. Thank you, Sir Kyle. Bye, mga kachong.